Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an oxygen cylinder at home. First, prioritize safety. Always make sure your oxygen cylinder is standing upright and securely fastened to prevent it from falling over. Before you touch any equipment, ensure your hands are completely clean and free of any oils or grease. Take a moment to visually inspect both the cylinder and the regulator for any signs of damage or debris. These initial steps are crucial for a safe setup. Next, let's attach the regulator. Carefully align the small pin on the regulator with the corresponding hole on the cylinder's valve outlet. Once aligned, gently push the regulator onto the valve. Then, hand tighten the T-handle or wing nut on the regulator until it feels snug. It's very important not to use any tools to over-tighten it, as this can easily damage the equipment and create a safety hazard. Hand tightening is sufficient. Now, connect your oxygen delivery device. Take the oxygen tubing from your nasal cannula or mask and firmly attach it to the regulator's outlet port. Double-check that this connection is secure and that the tubing itself is free from any kinks or blockages that could impede oxygen flow. Finally, carefully adjust the flow rate on the regulator to the specific setting prescribed by your doctor, usually measured in liters per minute. This ensures you receive the correct amount of oxygen. To complete the setup, let's check for leaks and monitor usage. Slowly open the cylinder valve by turning it one full rotation counterclockwise. Listen carefully for any hissing sounds, which could indicate a leak. If you're unsure, you can apply a soapy water solution to the connections. Bubbles will reveal a leak. Finally, observe the pressure gauge to confirm oxygen is flowing and to note how much supply remains. Always ensure the cylinder valve is fully open during use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.